When I created my YouTube channel, I had two goals in mind: help folks become better cooks and more confident in the kitchen, and two, try to make the most beautiful videos I could where the viewer could clearly see what and how I'm doing something. It seems now, the past few years on YouTube, that you have to over sensationalize every single aspect of your video for it to even be shown to subscribers or even new potential viewers. It's essentially the Mr. Beastification of videos. Crazy titles, crazy thumbnails, and me talking faster than I could ever have imagined just to try to keep folks engaged. Doing it this way was never my goal, but as I saw my channel grow, I thought, hey, maybe I should just keep doing this. But at the core root of who I am, I've never really liked this. I would love to go back to YouTube 5 or 6 years ago where I could just simply make a recipe video with as much detail as possible. My thumbnail was just a picture of the food and the title was simply the recipe title. It got views, it got engagement, and people seemed generally appreciative of what I was trying to do. I have a running Excel spreadsheet of over 1,000 recipes, probably even more at this point. I always add to it. But I don't make a lot of them because I'm nervous they won't have any impact on YouTube and they won't be shown to anybody. It takes a lot of time, money, and testing to do these recipe videos, and we'd hate to make something that got 1,000 views. But YouTube now forces us to take these crazy measures to try to get the most views possible. Being a content creator is definitely a unique job, without question. When I graduated culinary school, I made $8.50 an hour. Could never have imagined 25 years later that I'd be making recipe videos and being paid for it. So I definitely realize this is an extremely unique position that I'm in. But over time, like, this stuff just wears on you because you're falling away from what you originally loved to do. And I'm not saying being a sellout or anything like that, but you're forced to play this game, run the rat race, if you will. That's just never what I intended to set out to do specifically for this channel. And over time, it just makes you dislike what you're doing and you lose the passion for it. And I never, ever, ever wanted to do that. Well, I've never been known to follow the crowd, so we'll go against the grain, pun intended, if you will. I'd like to get back to some of those early things that I did by making as beautiful videos as I could without having to talk every single second while sounding like the Micro Machines guy at 8 billion words a minute. I'd love to go back to just the recipe being the recipe, the food being the food, and showcasing the beauty of it. Filmography at its finest. And I always push to the show Chef's Table on Netflix as something I always tried to aspire to be, as far as how beautiful could the videos be and how beautiful could the food look. So coming up, what I'm going to propose to do is you may see a video here or there that are a little bit different than me. Welcome to the next video, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this, and I'm gonna love it, and you're gonna love it, and everyone's gonna eat it, and blah, blah, blah. To maybe more talking and a little bit and letting the video tell the story, maybe a bit more text, but slowing things down. So you're going to see some changes, maybe not a huge flip, and that's all I'm doing, but you're going to see a couple videos here and there, and we'll see how they do. And at the end of the day, I still want to get back to that same mindset. Help folks become better cooks and more confident in the kitchen, and try to show them the most beautiful food recipe videos I could possibly make. And I just want to let you know how appreciative I am of every single one of you. The fact that we're at this point almost at 1 million subs, oh my gosh, that's just still insane to me that 1 million folks would choose to subscribe to this channel. I could never repay you in full. So I hope you enjoy some of these new videos, and my guess is the very next one coming up this week is going to be one of those. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate you.